Good morning, guys. So we're waiting as we're going on a little road trip today to La Vega, and there's about 3 cars going, and we're meeting here. And it has jamun, good up jamun tree. I don't know what it really is. But check it out. So we're trying to get as much as we can. Apparently, it's good for your pancreas. So we're getting the cars meet up, 3 cars, and we're heading down the highway. Ricky, they're driving. Yeah, so we're on our way to La Vega. Alright, we continue our journey. We came off the highway and now we're just crossed the pre-salt flyover and we're heading into Grand Couva. So we just pulled into La Vega and it already looks nice. The property is pretty big. We continue the trail inside now in the La Vega Estate. So we're here in the parking lot La Vega. It's really nice. We're seeing the plant section over there because it's a big garden there. We could garden estate. We could go and buy plants and that kind of thing. That's what it's known for. Alright. So I know like Rick and Giovanna would want to go and check it out. Section with all the crotons, the fragrant plants, bougainvillea, all of the colorful leaves. It is so pretty. You could get almost anything you think about in a tropical climate, of course. You could get it here, and it is huge. Check it out. That's it behind me there, and we're looking around, around and around, and there is another section there, but that I think that's their growing plants. Look at the size of it. All the different spices. Wow. This is fine thyme. You could smell it. Alright, look, Spanish thyme here. Chocolate mint. Spearmint. Tarragon over there. Ginger. All the different spices. It smells so good. Stuff that my mother has back home in St. Anne's there. There's so much. Look at the leaf in this plant. Bonnie, look at the leaf in this plant. Oh, have a little bridge. A little garden vibes going here. If there's a bridge, what you're supposed to do? Cross it, right? We have both sides. Pond. Just really, really, really nice. Seeing all of these plants and all of this nature. You know, it's located in Grand Couva, which is very much in the mountains of the central range, well, hills of the central range, you could say. So it's known for its agriculture and whatnot. So, yeah. They have shadow benny or bandania. This is the spice that is so important for Trinidad cooking, the flavor. It has a plant, spearmint, and when you touch the leaf and smell it, it smells like spearmint. There is chocolate mint. When you touch the leaves, it smells like the chocolate mint sweetie that you get. It's amazing. And then there is one here that has lemon balm. And so it smells like lemon. It smells like you cut a lemon and you smell in the skin. This place just goes on, and when you think you reach the end, you've seen another section. So this is the greenhouse where they have the plants. You could come in, just not priced out, and look how big that is. And then you come around to the back and there's a whole other section.
Like coconut palm. Coconut palm.
Alright, so we walked to the side of the shed. We all finished paid. Got our bands for the day. We're walking down here. This is like a little outdoor church. Look at the chairs. It's really nice. We're going down by the river. It's very, very shallow and it's kind of murky because it's raining. What do you call it? Like the nursery and see all the plants and whatnot. We're going to go to the pools, but not yet. We're going to go on the nature trail. As you can see, rain is falling. So most of the guys is going to go with the car. We're going to walk it. Alright, me and son. Check son out here in the Trini vibes outfit there. Has some ponds and whatnot. But I'm just going to explore. We're going to see what we can discover. And the rain has eased up a little bit, which is good. As soon as I say that, it's starting to fall back again. So I'm going to put back on the hat. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so we're going by Lake George. Nursery on both sides. This side, that side. So we're walking up the road. Seen a little hill. We feel the lake right there. Let me take a look. Tell me if you see it in the background. Going up still. There it is. Yeah. And here we are. This is Lake George, I think they call it. It is so nice. That's amazing, boy. I don't know what species of bird we just saw, but that thing is swimming in the water right under the surface, and then it'll dip its head up, breathe, and dip underneath and go again. Amazing. Check the a red band maxi with people coming up the road there. Really cool stuff as we walk along. The nurseries on one side, lake on the other. So we just saw some birds in the water lilies on the lake. We're going down to the smaller lake. It has a loop, like a trail that goes back, and then back by the big trail. So we're going to do that after. So this is the smaller lake, and we're heading up. We're going to take the trail and loop back around. Oh, look good. The chain, the chain looking arm. Alright, so we see the third pond, and we're going on the Toucan Trail. This is a little more rough. It's not paved. We're just gonna follow. So we walk in this Toucan Trail, but my God, it's wet because all the rain you saw, and it's very, very slippery. So far no one has fallen yet, but fingers crossed we don't. I didn't fall, but I think I come very close. I was just slipping going back down. Well, we got through. Alright, we just came up that hill. It's bigger than it looks in the video, don't worry. We had a peak and we started to go back down. So it's very steep going down, so we're not sure what will happen with the slipperiness. Wish us luck.
Right, you're going good, you're going good. No, Paul, look, when you move,
Yeah. So we made it. That hill is so slippery. I'm amazed we didn't fall. I did get stuck with a thorn picker, but that's the big lake. You see there. Ariana, turn back and do it again. The trail. We're down. We're actually on pit road. Thank goodness for technology. We're not worried about slipping. And the lake.
Are you sure this is a big lake? This is... It was away from the pond. It was on the other side.
So the standpipe, tried to wash out my foot so I wouldn't look as much as a disaster and people would know how hard that trail was. So we're getting a drop under the workers in the little golf cart.
Yeah, thank you. Oh yeah, the slides will live, Papa. You can go on that, right? You can slide on that.
No, father.
Okay, I'll try out.
Ariana, having a ball?
Oh, that's you.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, real cool.
We just give you some problem. We have a team so good.
Oh, yeah, we're nursery on this side.
You gotta trouble them, match them and
Big?
we have big water like this.
And
we have big river and instead we have alligator.
Yeah, that's a good, Okay, alright.
Lord.
I understand.
So we leave the pond, I forget my English, and we heading back by the nurseries here.
Right around.
We get dropped back by the nurseries, we're going by our next little play area, and we just get a ride on one of the little carts the workers use. That was so good. Oh, look the river here. Son. You don't want to capture, we had this on video. Alright, so we're back by the nurseries. When we got dropped off of the little golf cart, we got dropped here. And the pond is right behind this nursery here. So we're heading back and we're going to go by the pool. Alright, we're back by the parking lot, snatching something to eat before they head in. Alright, so we're by the pool and enjoying the rest of the day. I wouldn't show you guys much of the pool, you know, there's a lot of other families swimming and you know, I don't want to make them feel apprehensive with the camera and that kind of thing. But it's been great so far. I would recommend anyone come to La Vega. It is fantastic. Alright, so we continue in the day.
It was like a baby one and medium sized one, and it come up and
Been in the pool for hours. So we're heading out. We're back to the plant shop to see what we could buy. So that's the pool area in the back there. So now we're here. It's in the afternoon, as you can see, the lighting has changed. But we're now here to shop. Take a look at the These different things. Red.
edible flowers,
Peppermint. Pretty. Bougainvillea. Oh. What is this? Something. But nice stuff. Alright, so we take up the stuff. See it in the back there. Don't kite out to the car. What's his name? He's helping us.
For 10.
So we're here in Royal Castle in Debe. Kind of know. But anyway, we getting some chicken to go home because it's only shark and bake. We have plenty bake around for shark. And it was a good day. As you can tell, we're on our way back. Landing was really nice. Had a good time. Had a good time with the pool. It's just the sun was so hot when it was on, you know. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying these Trinidad videos. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.